Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 305i, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, select storage, and then tap on your SD card. This will then bring up a pop-up right here asking us which application we want to use to view this SD card. You can choose either one of those. I'll be selecting the first one, which is Files. And for the purposes of this video, I would recommend selecting the same thing. This will ensure that all the options that I will be selecting are in the same exact location for you as well. So here we can select if you want to open it once or all the time with this application, because as you can see we have two different ones we can utilize for this. I'm gonna select just once, give it a second, and once it loads up your SD card, which is displayed right here, we can tap on the three dots right over here and then select Storage Settings, and in here you'll find Format option. Once you press on it, it will give you a pop-up window letting you know that formatting will erase all the content that is being stored on that card. So if you have anything on it that you don't want to actually delete, make a backup copy of it to some other storage like your computer as an example before you progress any further. Once you have done so, you can then progress through this formatting procedure. Now, I don't have any, actually no, never mind, I do have something on the card that I would like to preserve, so I'm not going to format it. But obviously all you would need to do is click on Format SD card. This will either bring up again a window asking if you are sure that you want to format it, or just proceed to formatting it. In whatever case, if it has another window just affirming it, just again press on it. And once it starts formatting it, this will only take a couple seconds, and once the process of formatting is completed, you will be done, and the card will be fully formatted and ready to be used once again with no additional steps needed afterwards. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.